Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video I think a lot of you will enjoy because it is going to be a full face of my drugstore favorites. This whole face, except the brows because I don't have any drugstore brow products. It's just to prove that, and I'm sure everyone knows this at this point in the game, but you can obviously get a beautiful face, beautiful looks with drugstore products. So I'm gonna keep this intro short and sweet, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so we are starting off with an oldie but a goodie. This is the L'Oreal Magic Lumi, just a really pretty pearly base for foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in cream beige, but another one of my favorites from the drugstore is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I really want to try out the original Maybelline Fit Me just because I don't have oily skin as much as I used to. So yeah, I want to give that one a try, but those two are probably my top two favorites from the drugstore. And with this foundation, I just like to blend it in with a beauty blender. Now this foundation is more on the matte side, which is something I don't typically go for anymore. But that is why I did do the illuminating base, just to give me a little extra glow. And for concealer, this is another oldie but a goodie. My favorite Maybelline, what's it called? Instant Age Rewind. As you can see, I got this color when I was really into highlighting, but now I'm definitely more, maybe one shade lighter than my foundation, if anything, but it's still beautiful and it still is like such a great concealer from the drugstore. It has amazing coverage and a really beautiful finish. And then to bake everything, I'm going to go in with my favorite Airspun powder. It's just, I mean, everybody loves this powder. It is such an affordable, loose powder, and you get so much. I've had this powder, not gonna lie, for like 2 years now, and it's just really nice. It does have a fragrance, but it doesn't really bother me, so I use that to bake and to set my whole face. And to bronze and contour, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Honestly, Wet n Wild is probably my favorite brand at the drugstore. It has really beautiful products, really great quality, and this bronzer is no different. I love it. They have quite a few shades, and it's great because it comes with a highlighting shade as well. And I am someone that loves to highlight under my eyes, which is weird because I didn't do it in this video. But after I bronze, I like to go over everything with my beauty blender just to kind of melt everything into the skin and help everything blend even better. Next for blush, I'm going to take my e.l.f. blush palette, and this is the light version, and I'm going to go in, guys, I can't talk, with the peachy shade, and just put that all over the apples of my cheeks and on my nose as well. And I do this, if I haven't already explained, just to give the appearance of a almost sunburnt effect. I think it looks really pretty, and yeah, once again with the beauty blender, I lost my train of thought there. Sorry guys, I am a mess. And then for the highlighter, one of my favorite cream highlighter brands is ColourPop, and this is in the shade Smoke and Whistles. I usually go in with a beauty blender. You'll see that I switch back to my beauty blender with this product, but I wanted to try it with a brush, and it is so beautiful. They are such an affordable brand. ColourPop has consistently been affordable since they launched. I believe this highlighter is like $6 or $7, and it's so beautiful, as you can see. And if you guys can't already tell, I like to put highlighter pretty much everywhere. So for the eyes, I'm going to go back in with my bronzer and use that all over my crease, because the eyeshadow palette that I wanted to use was only shimmers and I needed some sort of matte transition. And for the lid shade, this is definitely an oldie. This is the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Blaze, and this is from Kathleen Light's first ever collabs with ColourPop, and I just checked on their website. They do still have this quad. It comes with 4 shades that are absolutely beautiful, and it's only 18 bucks. It's on sale. Just wanted to plug that. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm taking that beautiful blaze color and popping that all over the lid. And then I'm taking this e.l.f. Eyeshadow palette and using the darkest brown in that palette. It is a shimmer, but I don't know, I didn't really mind putting a shimmer in my crease today. But yeah, I'm using that just to deepen and intensify everything. And then I just go back in with that initial brush that I use the bronzer for, and I just blend out any harsh edges. And then after, of course, all that blending, you want to re-intensify your lid color because it can get kind of lost in the sauce. So yeah, I'm just dusting away my bake, and then we are going to get into the lower lash line. The lower lash line is very simple. I just took that same dark brown shade from that e.l.f. palette and smudged that all over my lower lash line. And then for the inner corner and my brow bone, I just took one of the lighter golds in the same e.l.f. palette and popped that under my brows and in my inner corner. And for eyeliner, I'm going back with the, not going back, I just got this from, oh my god, I can't speak. I'm going with the ColourPop Gel Cream Liner in the shade Brouhaha and putting that in my waterline. What else would I be doing with it? I popped on some falsies off of camera because I can never do that on camera. It literally takes me like 20 minutes to put on falsies. So I put on falsies, put on some lower lash mascara, and now I'm going to mute out my lips because I like a pretty nude lip, guys. And so I'm just taking my favorite of all time lip liner, the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm just going to do some slight overlining, as you can tell. I love to overline my lips. I don't care what anybody says. Where are these accents coming from? I love overlining my lips. I think it just gives a really pretty pout. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. I did like this, but I wanted something obviously a little lighter. So this is the only thing that's not Drugstore. This is a Tarte lipstick in the shade Skinny Dip. And then I'm just going to clean up some, you know, strays. And that's pretty much it. And, you know, fluff the hair and then we're good. So that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I think this look is really beautiful for a night out or a daytime, you know, depending on who you are. I don't judge. Don't forget to give this video a like. I was gonna say a like and a thumbs up. You can do both. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and a subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.